Keeping morale high during frustrating toilet repairs starts with a clear, short goal and a light tone. Start by setting a simple objective like restoring flushing function within a set time, and explain the steps out loud as you go to keep focus and reduce stress. Gather basic tools first so you do not interrupt the flow, including a sturdy plunger, adjustable wrench, bucket, rubber gloves, and a replacement flapper or fill valve if needed. Work in stages. Stop the water, remove excess water with a cup, inspect the flapper and chain for obvious problems, then test the fill mechanism by turning the water back on briefly. Use small, measurable targets such as completing one diagnostic action every 10 minutes and celebrate each completed step with a quick positive remark. If you hit a stubborn problem, pause for a 2-minute break to reset and review the next logical action so frustration does not drive you to mistakes. Keep language playful while remaining precise. For example, narrate each attempted fix with a one-line joke and then verify the outcome, which keeps the mood light and the work methodical. Common mistakes include rushing diagnostics and replacing parts that are not the real problem, which wastes time and money. Instead, take a minute to trace cause and effect and only replace parts after confirming failure. Another issue is working without a simple plan and running out of basic supplies mid-job, so prepare a checklist beforehand and place replacements within reach. A third frequent problem is letting embarrassment or irritation shut down communication when family members are involved. Invite them to help in small ways like timing plunges or handing tools, which keeps everyone engaged and reduces pressure. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share tips and experiences about repairs like toilets. We help contractors find leads and homeowners find practical advice and local help while our community offers real-world perspectives and encouragement.